What's going on? It's your boy Lawrence Kane Jr., aka the Money Man, here with a video for a holiday season, right? For those who celebrate Christmas, we are officially in that mode, right? We're past Halloween. Shout out to Halloween though. That's my mom's birthday. But after Halloween, it's holiday season. So this video, we're going to talk about a few gift ideas that is low cost, and if you are that person that buys for a lot of people, may have a lot of nieces and nephews, you may have a lot of brothers and sisters, hopefully this list will help you, and that's our goal. All right, so let's get into it. Now, one of the easiest gifts that you can buy somebody is a hoodie. Now, depending on where you get the hoodie from, it's going to depend on how the cost is. Some hoodies are more expensive if you're going to, somebody who sells a very specific type hoodie, right? You can get into the realm of $50 to $100. But when we talk about sports teams, they may have hoodies on sale at your local Walmart, Kroger, Meijer, and that can be a very good gift idea for somebody that, again, that's not bae, that's not wifey, that's not hubby, but somebody who would enjoy that, or it could be them, right? So a hoodie is one of the first gifts that you can get that's very affordable. Now, another gift that you can give someone that is very low cost is a new pair of house shoes. There's wear and tear on house shoes all year. Nothing like a fresh pair of house shoes. So, again, you can get very specific with the house shoes and get them customized, stuff like that. But man, you can go to Walmart, get on Amazon and cop you some for the low and gift it to somebody who you love. One of my favorite gifts to give anybody, and honestly, one of my favorite gifts to receive, phone chargers. You can never have too many. Seems like throughout the year, you lose them. They end up getting a short in them. Phone chargers are the perfect gift for really anybody, especially for those of us who are always on our phone and our phone always seems to go dead throughout the day, or at least close to it. Get them some chargers. And also, I'll throw a bonus on that. If it's a car charger, that's also another good gift. Now, the gift that is very uncommon, but the use of this is very common, is a tire inflator, one of the portable ones. They have these on Amazon for less than $40, and you can get one for, we know that during this part of the year, our tire pressure sensor comes on and everybody needs to fill up the tires because it's cold. Why not give somebody with that tire inflator and they can always have it? That is a perfect gift. I have one and we use it sometimes. My wife, her tires get low during this time. Bam, I don't have to drive to the gas station to get her air. So that's a good gift that you can give somebody. And it's really, when we talk about an essential piece of what we need in our car, it's top tier for sure. Another cool gift that you can give someone is a sports mug or a sports cup. If their favorite team, if they're into sports, this is always a great gift. No, I can never have enough Bengals or Raiders gear. And I'm a Bengals fan from the sense that I'm from Cincinnati, but ultimately I'm a Raiders fan. So I'm never turning down any Bengals or Raiders the cups, mugs, merch, period, right? So that is something that you can always find available. You can go local, you can go again online and find things, but it's always something that's easy to purchase for somebody. Now, I made a video not too long ago about this next gift idea, but it was something that was very personal to me, and I think that is going to be very fun for those who partake in these type of things. So this gift is a nostalgic gift for someone. So for me, at Goodwill, I'll get a CD. I'll buy a CD from my childhood or, my teenage years, and those are like $2 at Goodwill. So if you're shopping for a millennial, then I'm pretty sure a CD is something that they would love and be like, oh man, you gave me, this was my favorite artist growing up. This was my, favorite album growing up. And, again, it doesn't have to be a CD. It can be vinyl. We're back on vinyls right now. So that is an awesome gift to give somebody who loves music and loves the nostalgic feeling of that. I don't know about DVDs. That ain't really, the swag. But, again, those are also a good gift to give somebody who, again, they'll love that because they're into that genre of music or that type of film. So that's a very good gift. All right, I know we don't talk about this because it's something that we have to buy every year for a lot of us that live in colder areas of the world, but a good gift is always Scullies and gloves and anything that keep us warm when we go outside. So that is, even cool mass ice scrapers because the car get ice on it. All of those are great gifts to me. I guess I'm speaking. This list is very personal because I would love any of these gifts, and I'm pretty sure I'm like other people in the world that sometimes simple is more. Less is more. Simple is actually excellent in my world. So I don't need you to buy me anything fancy. It would be nice, but we know that times are not the same as it was 10 years ago. So why not give somebody something that they're going to use and be able to use right then and there? So it's a cool gift to give. Again, you can make it personal or customized, or you can just get generic and give them a plain Scully, but it's always something that is going to be needed. And you can never have too many of them. And really, to piggyback on that gift idea, another gift idea for a lot of people could be personalized scarves. My wife is a big scarf person. So if you know somebody who, loves wearing their scarves and like to add that as they, part of their swag, then definitely get a scarf. You can give them multiple ones. You can give them a scarf rack, for those who, have a ton of them, like my wife. Don't tell her I said that. But definitely something that you can add to that gift list is a scarf. All right, and the last gift that I'm going to mention in this video, I may do some more videos, but in this video, the last gift idea that I have for you is a heated blanket. Last year, we bought heated blankets, it seemed like, for everybody in our immediate family. Everybody got a heated blanket. And let me tell you, they are a great gift, especially when you're dealing with somebody who's always cold, right? I'm always hot, so I don't really be under it a lot. But it's a very good, inexpensive gift idea. And again, you can go, they have real big ones that cover, the whole family. They have individual ones. So depending on who you are and who you're shopping for, it is a very great gift idea. All right, so I want to hear from you. Put in the comments some other gift ideas for everybody to be able to tap into, right? And let us know also what is a gift that you're looking forward to getting this year from your family. All right. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Again, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, not with the people who you're shopping for, but maybe some people who you're shopping with. Again, financial success happens on purpose, and success does not visit the lazy. God bless.